Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at this 2000 Ford F-150 Lightning that we just got in. This is a really nice truck, stock for the most part aside from the exhaust. We're going to let you hear it in just a minute. We're going to go over the truck, trying to point out any flaws that we find, go over functions as well. This truck has just over 140,000 miles. Now remember, this is a 2000. It was produced about 24 years ago, and that's on average about 6,000 miles per year. So it's pretty low mileage for what it is. Nice driver that you can enjoy, have fun with. Still in overall good condition. See a little rock chip, a few paint blemishes, nothing that really stands out. It does have headers back, MagnaFlow Performance exhaust. Sounds really nice. Open the door here, take a quick peek at the interior. Bench seat on these trucks are really nice. Suede and leather combo. Got your boost gauge right there above the steering wheel. Does have a bed cover. See a few little paint blemishes. That's getting really close. Any of the close-ups are less than a foot. I'm standing about 3 feet away from the truck right now, and it shows very well. It's a chrome locking gas cap cover. It's got the little turn signals in the side view mirror as well. And we're gonna have Vince fire it up. License plate lights, driver, passenger turn signal, reverse lights. Everything works just as it should. Take a quick peek at the dash. As you see, there's no lights on the dash. All illuminated. There you have it. If you're looking for a sweet cruiser that you can enjoy and show off, this is a very good candidate. Truck market's always hot. This is a very desirable collectible truck. These will only increase in value, and this is a good start to add one to your collection. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call, 248-721-4343 on the Lightning or any of the other cars that we have here in the showroom.